Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's learn fruits A, B, C. A. A is for apple. A is for Aki. A is for avocado. A is for apricot.
A for apple. Apple. A for apple. Apple. A for apple.
Apple. Avocado. Avocado. Apricot. 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 Let's learn some fruit colors. What color is this? Yes, red. This is the color red. Which fruit is red? Apple is red. Apple is red. What color is an apple? Apple is red.
The apple is red. The apple is red. Hey, ordinary, oh, the apple is red.
What color is this? Yes, this is the color green. What fruit is green? Avocado is green. Avocado is green. Avocado is green. Hey, ordinary avocado is green. What color is this? Yes, this is the color yellow. What fruit is yellow? Apricot is yellow. Join me again next time.